How to use the on-screen volume keys with Assistive Menu on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then make sure you turn on Assistive Menu. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. So here we tap on it to turn it on, and this is the Assistive Menu. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, whenever you need to access the on-screen volume keys, just tap on the Assistive Menu. Then tap on Volume. From here, you can tap on the increase button or decrease button to change the volume. You can also drag on the slider bar here to change the volume, as well as you'll be able to set your sound to vibrate, mute, or sound. And that's it. Here you can change the volume for ringtone or media. And that's it. That's how you can use the on-screen volume keys without having to use the physical volume keys on the side here. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.